actually sitting on the ground right now, and dead forward, it's about 50 yards, and then in the woods, you can see about another 10 yards, and I knew I saw a little white spot like 10 minutes ago. I guess it's Nick or something in there. Oh, my leg is just shaking so bad right now. And then I happened to see it move, and I'm like, yeah, that's a deer. So I already got the camera on, and I could have shot it at like 60 yards, or no, like 55 yards. It was perfect broadside, but I was gonna see how close, if it was gonna get closer, and it wasn't good video. It was like super dark back there, but it came out, and it actually kind of caught on to me because I'm just sitting underneath our tripod stand that's brushed in a little bit, and so I just shot it straight through the chest, and I know I hit it. I'm gonna rewatch the footage, see if I can see exactly where I hit it, but I'm pretty sure it's probably down. I'm pretty sure I made a pretty good shot, so I'm gonna rewatch the footage and I'll update you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. I don't want to wait till dark to try to find it, so I'm just gonna go look for it now. It's been about 20 minutes, like I said. I just got out here to look for blood. I didn't see any in the video, but I'm gonna have to rewatch it real quick, see exactly where it was standing at. I'm assuming it probably didn't go very far, since it was really young, and I'm pretty sure I made a really good shot. So I'm just gonna look for blood for a minute, and I'll probably just walk into the woods and see if I can find it where I saw it running it. So stay tuned. Just found her just a second ago. Well, it's actually a little button buck. You can see right there, got little nubs. Got a leaf covering the exit hole. Don't want to get this demonetized. Shot him over there about, I'd say 60, 70 yards. Ran through that thicket and saw him actually about right over there. And I guess he came right through here. Never found a drop of blood, but there's blood right there and right there and everything. So, and right there, all going back there. So he must have actually came a little wider out here instead of right here like I thought. But made a good shot. That's the exit wound. He was facing at me, kind of like this. So I shot him through the left shoulder, went out that way. But this thing is probably only like 60, 70 pounds. Not real big, so I'm just gonna get him out, and we might gut this thing and everything on our own. So hope you guys enjoyed. Well, the guts, like, I think the guts for the poop, like right here, or are they lower?
Are you cutting it?
I'm not gonna see. I cut through the poop. I'm pretty sure.
I don't want to look. I'm not looking.
I just want to get a little bit of skin, not all of the meat.
Ooh. You wanna eat poop? Ooh. Blah.
God, he washed this.
Hope you don't eat the poop. Ouch.
There's the ribs right here. So wait, should we get a saw? Okay, so we've gutted most of it. It was a little bit of a train wreck, but we got the heart right here. I didn't hit the heart. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this out real quick. Sorry, you guys won't be able to see it. There's the heart right there. So I'm just gonna get the rest of the little bit of guts that are right here out, and we should be good. Okay, so it's the next morning and we just got the deer hung up, and I'm just gonna say this, I made a mistake because when I bought my tags earlier in the season, it was super early in the morning, and I bought my firearms any deer tag, and then I accidentally bought 2 archery antlerless deer tags instead of a firearms antlerless deer tag. So I had to tag this with my buck tag. So my gun season, which I only have 2 more days, is done now. Also, we got drawn to hunt a managed hunt in like a state park. And my grandpa and my dad have got drawn there a few times before, and they know some really good spots. So hopefully we can, I got like 7 or 8 days scattered out through next month to hunt. So hopefully I can kill a deer with my compound. That's all I'm taking. And also hopefully I can get a deer with my compound at our property to this afternoon or something. That would be awesome. But I'm probably not going to shoot a little buck just since I still have 2 weeks. But I hope you guys enjoyed.